Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to find Nnpc fuel stations where you can get 2 liters of fuel free with OPAY. The first thing you're going to do is open up your OPAY app and then tap on cards at the bottom, and you can see physical card, OPAY Valve card, get 10% off. Now what do you do next? The next thing you're going to do is tap on get 10% off with OPAY Valve card, and then you can see it's a promo running right now, valid from August 15th to December 31st, 2024. And this promo, as you can see, this promo lasts from Thursday to Sundays. Now, what this means is that when you buy 10 liters of petrol or fuel at Nnpc fuel stations, you will get 2 liters of fuel free if and only if you pay with your OPAY Valve card. So what are you waiting for? Quickly get an OPAY Valve card and go to the nearest Nnpc fuel station, get 10 liters of fuel, pay for it, and get your 2 liters of fuel free. But no, this is a selected location. So how do we find selected locations? Tap on find selected locations and then tap on Nnpc outlets, and that's it. You can see all the Nnpc locations where you can get 2 liters of fuel free when you purchase 10 liters of fuel and pay with your OPAY Valve card. Though please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel and to comment on the comment section if you were able to enjoy this discount at Nnpc outlet using your OPAY Valve card. Don't forget that this is valid from August 15th to December 31st, 2024. Rush over there now and get your 2 liters of fuel free.